Imagine starting your day with an endless stream of highly qualified, ready to buy leads that are excited to purchase your offer immediately, all without costing you a single cent. In the next 7 minutes or so, you'll learn how to generate unlimited free leads for your business using DeepSeek. And if you don't know what DeepSeek is, it is a new AI model that completely outperforms ChatGPT and is completely free. Today, the most forward-thinking entrepreneurs all across the globe are using this one AI tool to generate tens of millions of dollars for their company. This is one of your final opportunities to get an edge before everyone catches up. So this video is going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how to generate unlimited free leads using the power of DeepSeek and Google. For context, my name is Cody. I run a lead generation firm that has scaled my income to around $30,000 a month at the age of 23. So trust me when I tell you that you need to watch this video until the end and apply this for your business. So did you know that Google is actually a goldmine for leads? Most people don't know this, but there's a hidden feature inside of Google that we can use to generate highly qualified leads in seconds. And if you combine this with AI, it makes the whole process extremely easy. Let me show you. All right, so this is called a Google search operator. What this basically does is it is a special command that we're telling to Google and showing them that we want to get very refined and targeted searches. For example, for this one, I wanted to go after CEOs in San Francisco that are on LinkedIn. So again, just replace these keywords with your ideal client profile. If you target coaches in Seattle, or if you target SaaS companies in San Francisco. Again, whatever it is, just put it right here instead of CEO in San Francisco. And then of course, change this to which platform you want to target. So this does work in other industries. It does not have to be CEOs in San Francisco. For another example, could be if we want to go after coaches on Instagram. What I did here is instead of actually using a keyword like location, I actually put @gmail.com. What this does is it's telling Google, hey, I want to go on Instagram.com and find coaches who have @gmail.com somewhere in their bio. So again, if we scroll down, we're going to see a lot of Gmails right here. And again, replace coach with your ideal client profile. So now we've got a bunch of leads from Google. That's a great thing. But unfortunately, a lot of these leads aren't usable right now. It's just a bunch of Google search results. So before, what I had to do was manually copy and paste every single result into a CSV. But now I can do that with DeepSeek. Let me show you. And real quick, you may be wondering, why can't I just use ChatGPT for this? And you definitely can. But again, this video is how we can do this entire process for free. DeepSeek is free. ChatGPT, you have to get a paid subscription. But it is completely equivalent in terms of the performance. So we're going to head back to the laptop and go to chat.deepseek.com. What I want you guys to type in is this. This is a Google search results extract. I want you to format the information into a table with columns of business name, website, email, first name, last name, Instagram, LinkedIn, and phone number. Ignore ads, unrelated text, and remove any duplicates. Once we get to this page, just click space a couple of times and then go to your Google search results. The next step is actually clicking Command A and then Command C. What we just did is we selected every single result in this page and then we copied it. What you're going to want to do next is head over to DeepSeek and click Command V. Essentially what we're doing is we're copying and pasting all of the results on our Google searches. And then from here, what I would recommend you guys do is click into each page separately. What I'm going to do real quick is go into speed mode so you guys can see the process. All right, so I just scraped a couple of pages. Now all you have to do is click enter, and DeepSeek is not only going to analyze this data, it is going to structure this data into very easy copy and pastable columns. And by the way, look in the description if you want to see the prompts that I've used in this video. All right, so now that we do have a formatted table of all the leads that we just scraped, I want you guys to go to sheet.new, and we're actually going to paste all this into a Google Sheet. So real quick, just hover over all of the data right here. You can scroll down. Again, I only did a couple of pages, but if your ideal client profile list is big, then you guys might be able to get a couple hundred more leads. So once I do hover over all of this, I'm going to click Command C, and then I'm going to go over to the Google Sheet and just click Command V. So now we have a full list of leads, but when building lists from public sources like this, the email addresses might not always be correct. You're going to face an issue where a lot of these emails are outdated and simply not accurate. And that's going to put a massive stop in your outreach process. Fortunately, there's a very easy way to fix this. If I don't validate this lead list that I just scraped, I'm likely going to see above a 10% bounce rate, and that is going to absolutely ruin my outreach. Now, full disclaimer, this is the only part of the process that you cannot do unlimited for free. There is a free trial, but if you do want to do this at scale, you're going to need a paid subscription. But again, it is completely worth it. If you're really on a budget, you can skip this step. But again, your results are greatly going to increase if you add a tool like this to your process. All you have to do is upload your DeepSeek CSV into FindEmail, and it's going to do the rest. Let me show you. All right, so again, we're going to go back to our CSV. Step number 1 is always going to be File, Download, and then click CSV. This is going to download in the top right here. And then once you actually land inside of the FindEmail platform, step number 2 is going to be going to the email verifier. And then you just need to drag this CSV into the bulk verification tab right here, and then click Start Task. What this is going to do is it is automatically going to verify each email in this CSV. And I can guarantee you're always going to see below a 5% bounce rate when you actually send these emails. And then there is one other way to use FindEmail to generate leads. If you don't have their email address already, you can use FindEmail to actually find their email address and then also validate that same email address in the process. Let me show you. Let's say, for example, you wanted to do a search that did not include gmail.com. What you can do is actually type this in site:linkedin.com/in/ and then in parentheses, use whatever sort of keyword or job title you want to go after. What I'm doing for this example is founders at private equity firms. So I found a lot of these people right here. All of them seem to be pretty good fits. What I'm going to do is click Command A and then Command C, and then I'm going to push that into my DeepSeek. What I would recommend with DeepSeek, start a new chat. Again, it's a very similar prompt to what you did before. These are Google search results below. Extract and format the information into a table with columns of full name and then LinkedIn URL. Ignore ads, unrelated text, and remove any duplicates. And then from there, click Command V and then search the results. And for this example, I'm only going to do one page because I wanted to do this quickly. But again, this process can be for unlimited leads, as many leads that are on Google. So the same exact steps that we did earlier, copy everything, and then copy them into your Google Sheet. What I would recommend doing for the LinkedIn URLs is using this header right here, LinkedIn_URL. It all needs to be lowercase for FindEmail to actually find an email. And then from here, click File, Download, and then CSV, and then go on over to FindEmail. Go to the email finder section and then bulk from LinkedIn URLs. From here, just drag and drop your CSV. FindEmail is going to do the rest. You're going to be able to find these people's email address and then also validate it in the process as well using FindEmail. I can guarantee you are never going to see above a 5% bounce rate if you use FindEmail to validate and find your emails. And then click Start Task, and then you are good to go. You just got a fully enriched lead list and you're ready to start finding unlimited leads. So now you know how to build relevant lead lists for your business. But those leads are completely worthless if you just let them sit in your computer and don't do nothing with them. If you want to get deals, you have to start taking action. You have to start cold emailing these leads. You have to start cold calling them. And that's not something that you should improvise either. That's why you should watch this video right here, and I'm going to show you how to send 1,000 personalized cold emails every single day to your target market and generate hundreds of deals per month as a result. So go watch this now by clicking the video displayed on screen, and we'll see you in the next video.